My dear friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Myself, I am Laukush Jogi. I have completed MSc in Agriculture, Seed Science and Technology, Specialization Seed Science and Technology from HNB GS Central University, Srinagar, Uttarakhand in 2020. I have got 52 rank in PhD program Seed Science and Technology from Indian Council of Agricultural Research ICR All India Entrance Examination for admission in 2021. Today I am going to tell about the topic seed production of forage crops. Oats. Land requirements. Land to be used for seed production shall be free of volunteer plants. Isolation requirements. Oats are normally self-pollinated. Natural cross-pollination by wind occurs occasionally and varies by about 0.4 to 1.3%. An isolation of at least 3 meters all around the seed fields from other oats fields is necessary for seed fields. In addition, an isolation of 150 meters should be provided from fields of oats with infection of loose smooth in excess of 0.1 and 0.5% for foundation and certified seed class respectively. Brief cultural practices. 1. Preparation of land. The land should be prepared to a fine tilth by deep ploughing followed by 3 to 4 harrowings and leveling. 2. Time of sowing mid-October to mid-November. 3. Source of seed. Obtain nucleus or waders or foundation seed for raising the seed crop from a source approved by a certification agency. 4. Method of sowing. The seed crop should be sown in rows with a suitable seed drill. The depth of seeding should be 5 to 6 cm. 5. Spacing. Row to row 20 to 25 cm. Seed to seed 3 to 4 cm. 6. Seed rate 75 to 100 kg is sufficient to plant 1 hectare. 7. Fertilization. Usually 80 kg nitrogen and 30 kg phosphorus is applied. The experiments conducted at Pantnagar however indicate that nitrogen up to 120 kg per hectare may be applied with advantage. The entire phosphorus and potash if applied and half of nitrogen should be applied at the time of sowing. The remaining half should be given in 2 equal installments after 25 days and the first cut respectively. At irrigation, if the moisture in the soil is not adequate, the sowing should be done after light irrigation. Subsequent irrigation should be given at 3 weeks intervals depending upon rainfall. 9. Interculture and weeding. One weeding after 2 to 3 weeks may be necessary to control weeds. The broad leaf weeds can also be controlled by use of selective herbicides such as 2,4-D. The 2,4-D should be sprayed when plants are 15 to 20 cm high. 10. Plant protection. The growing oats crop is not seriously affected by an insect pest. Spray appropriate insecticide if found necessary for control of termites. The seeds treated with BSC 2% dust 200 gram per quintal should be used. Cutting. For obtaining good seed yields, stop cutting after the first cut 50 days after sowing. In yearly sown crops, no cutting for fodder should be done in late sowing crops. Rogging. The first rogging may be done just ahead of the flowering stage or during flowering. At this stage, off-type plants and smooth plants and yearly heading plants should be removed. The second rogging should be completed just after flowering is completed and the panicle start to turn color. If only a few rogue are present, this might suffice as the last rogging. The rogues at this stage include those already mentioned pulsatile varieties which are late in heading and grow up late, thus skipping rogging at the first instance. The third rogging should be done after the panicles turn color and start to mature. In addition to rogues previously mentioned, one is now able to rogue on the basis of panicle difference which are most easily discernible at this stage. Harvesting and threshing. The harvesting should be done as soon as the crop is mature. Delay in harvesting may be result in poor seed quality. If there are rains during this period, the crop can be hand harvested and threshed with the help of a stationary threshers or could be combined directly in the field. Combines threshing equipment, whatever is used threshing floor, it is must be thoroughly cleaned to avoid mechanical admixtures. The seed is usually very dry and harvest time. However, in seasons when weather is not favorable, seed may be need drying after threshing or combining to bring down the moisture to 10% for safe storage. Seeded. The average seeded after the first cut is 30 quintal per hectare. Thanks.